Want to leave a review on Google Maps using your iPhone? Here's how to write a Google Maps review step by step in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open the Google Maps app on your iPhone. Search for the business or location you want to review, or tap directly on it on the map. Once the place is selected, swipe up from the bottom to view full location details, including photos and info. Scroll down until you see the Reviews section. Tap Add a Review. Tap the stars to rate the place from 1 to 5 stars. Type your experience in the review box. Be honest and helpful for other users. You can also tap Add Photos or Videos and upload images from your iPhone. Once you're done, tap Post. Your review is now live. You must be signed into your Google account to leave a review. Reviews with photos are more helpful and more likely to be seen. And that's it. That's how to write a review on Google Maps on iPhone in 2026. Subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials.